Luke Belmar's story is one of perseverance, hard work, and strategic decision-making. Despite dropping out of high school at the age of 17, Luke went on to become a successful entrepreneur, investor, and private equity specialist with a net worth of approximately $10 million. Luke started his journey in a small town 2 hours out from Buenos Aires, Argentina. After dropping out of high school, he asked his uncle, a pilot, to get him a ticket to New York City with only $200 in his suitcase. Upon arriving, he took on various odd jobs, such as pressure washing basketball courts and streets, washing toilets, doing door-to-door sales, and working in kitchens, all while sleeping in his car and showering at the local gym to save money. Despite facing numerous challenges, Luke worked tirelessly to build his portfolio. While working multiple jobs simultaneously, he invested his earnings from his jobs into Bitcoin and ad spend for his e-commerce business. He would deposit his salary and tips immediately after work every day. Luke's crypto journey started in 2016 when he began buying Bitcoin on Bitstamp with half of his daily earnings. In 2017, he managed to grow his portfolio to approximately $300,000. During the crypto bull run, he followed the crypto herd, which led to him pulling out a loan of $15,000, which he invested in crypto that ended up tanking the next week. However, he didn't give up, and in the following 2 years, he grew his portfolio by 40x. In 2019, Luke made $16 million through e-commerce, with a unique strategy that differed from his competitors. Instead of hiding negative reviews, he would interact with the good ones and ask for more information. He and his team created burner accounts to boost engagement on his ads, which Facebook recognized as successful ad campaigns. This led to lower costs and higher traffic for Luke's e-commerce business. He also managed to create Capital Club, which, in his words, will be the largest decentralized entrepreneurial network on the planet. Capital Club was created to help aspiring business owners develop into full-stack entrepreneurs, with the goal of having 1 million entrepreneurs from all over the world, focused on creating, multiplying, and preserving wealth and opportunity for all the members. Capital Club was founded on the belief that every entrepreneur needs access to a powerful global network, state-of-the-art market research, and up-to-date business knowledge to ensure long-term, scalable success. Since then, it is now a private network of multi-millionaires worth 9 figures each, uplifting each other in their business ventures, currently representing over 70 countries. According to Luke, they have accumulated over $1.5 billion collectively in their sales. Luke's biggest year was 2020 when he noticed other sellers being banned for attempting to find a workaround regarding the hand sanitizers and masks policy. Luke followed the rules and applied them in a different niche, animals. Since the pandemic brought people to worry more about their health, including their pets, Luke restructured his store and products and capitalized on it. Later that year, he decided to go all in and invest his entire net worth into a coin known as PancakeSwap. He became the number 10 holder of PancakeSwap worldwide in a sub-$30 million market cap, which rose to $2.5 billion. Today, Luke is focused on private equity, building on his successes in e-commerce and crypto. Despite starting from humble beginnings, Luke's grit, determination, and strategic decision-making have allowed him to achieve incredible success in a relatively short amount of time. This is Business and Beyond. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.